Hey, what's going on, Toros fans? Thanks. Welcome in for another episode of Beyond the Blue Line. Tonight is the final 2 home games of the regular season. The place is going to get packed tonight. The boys have an opportunity to clinch tonight. 2 wins tonight. Wilmer loses both their games this weekend. 1 win, 2 Wilmer losses, or 2 wins and 1 Wilmer loss, and the boys are officially in the playoffs. But it starts right here tonight against Alexander Blizzard. Let's get ready. Let's get set. Let's go. Welcome into Mason City Toros hockey right here at NHLTV.com, where we have one of the biggest matches of the weekend. A chance for the Toros to clinch their playoff spot starts here tonight against this Alexander Blizzard squad. The other way, 2-on-2. Bowman will try to shut this one down. Shot right into the glove of Giannis Campbell. We'll get a shots on goal favor the Toros 5-3, 12:24 left to go. Ertl with it over to Gibson. Gibson across ice to Plaga. Plaga ducks the shoulder down. He'll try to work his way around. He will get this one back into the zone. And Gibson scores! Cross-checked right in the back. Schmidt fires right into the glove of Giannis Camp. Played right across center ice. 2-on-1 developing back the other way. They play this one over. A big save by Giannis Camp! 5:37 left to go in the first. Now picked up by Bowman. Bowman plays this one all the way over. Shot on net. It's it up front. Charles looking where they score! Toros starting to get handcuffed in their own zone, trying to get this one out. Now picked up by Grant Harder. Harder able to bring this one across the blue line. Harder with it over to Stone Resch. Back out front. Here's Grant Harder, tries to backhand one towards the net. He was trying to get that one over, and they score! That one. Here's Despinez. Despinez up ice, chips this one to the far side corner. Williams will go after it. Now played back down low. Played back down front. Here's the Toros with an opportunity, they score! Kept in the zone by Luke Gustafson. Great defensive play by Gustafson. Gustafson will pin the man to the boards. We told you things were going to start getting physical here. Ertl will knock his man down right along the blue line. Knocked past Schmidt. Gibson will chase after it. Gibson managed to get this one over to Gustafson. He scores! And just like that, the Toros take the lead back. Alexandria with it. Alexandria down low. And Giannis with a big save. Hodge with it over to TJ Gibson. Gibson over to Plaga. Plaga with a shot. And a score! Christian Plaga!
Trevor Anakin, I have the high ground.
4.9 left to go. Here's Gustafson. Played all the way down. Toros have control of it. They'll trap this one in the corner. And they'll win! Were you there for the Battle of Mason City? And with the Wilmer loss, tomorrow night sets up an opportunity that the Toros can clinch their playoff spot tomorrow with a win or a Wilmer loss.